2 years ago, it was hard to imagine 15-year-old Johnny Lubin rocking the drums for very long. Johnny's been in and out of the hospital his entire life, battling extreme pain and other complications, born with sickle cell disease.
It was kind of hard for me to do things like have fun and stuff because I'd always have to be worried about if I'd have a pain crisis or not.
It's estimated 100,000 Americans live with sickle cell. Inherited, it causes red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, to be misshapen. Instead of discs, they're crescent or sickle-shaped. These get stuck in blood vessels, causing severe pain and decreasing oxygen to organs. A bone marrow transplant has long been the only hope for a cure. But like the more than 80% of patients with sickle cell, Johnny couldn't find a donor.
At that point, we were like, okay, what's gonna be next? We thought that we were gonna lose him.
So his family turned to a new kind of treatment. Johnny is now one of the first people in the world to have his genes edited using CRISPR.
I was worrying that I might be get superpowers or something.
CRISPR technology acts like a sort of molecular scissor that allows doctors to make precise cuts out of DNA. Cells were removed from Johnny's body and edited to stimulate the production of a fetal hemoglobin, which has a higher oxygen carrying capacity. In a world first, the FDA recently approved 2 gene editing therapies for people 12 years and older. Casgevy harvests cells from a patient's bone marrow and edits them in a lab using CRISPR. The modified cells are then inserted back into the patient's body. Lyfgenia, on the other hand, uses a reportedly harmless virus to introduce a gene to help produce a hemoglobin substitute. It's been 2 years since Johnny's gene editing treatment, and he's doing well. But that doesn't mean his family is worry-free. After all, he is a teenager.
So I'm starting to teach him how to drive, so that's another thing to worry about.
Johnny didn't end up with superpowers. The treatment gave him something even better: the chance to be a regular kid.
There's a brand new sight experience waiting for you and your family. Let's build news literacy to better live out the gospel.
If you like that story, do me a favor, tap the like and subscribe button below. And if you really liked it, check out the full show free for a week. Just head over to worldwatch.news/free video.